Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Melrose Hill bypass, so we're going to take a tour of the Mandeville section of Highway 2000. This is the Melrose Hill bypass. So Highway 2000 currently runs from Kingston to Maypen, and they're now working on the Maypen to Mandeville leg because the highway is going to run all the way to Montego Bay. So the government recently put out an update saying the section between Maypen and Mandeville is 90% complete, and that was a few weeks ago. So a few persons suggested that there's no way this road is going to be finished by March 2023. So we're doing another update. We did one recently. We actually have drone footage of the highway, so you can check that out on the channel. So what happens, I'll just give you an idea of what's going on here now. When the highway goes from Maypen to Clarendon Park, it runs along the existing road, and then from Clarendon Park to the Melrose Hill bypass, it goes over the hill. So when the highway goes over the hill and comes out at the Melrose Hill bypass, it's going to incorporate the bypass, meaning the bypass is now going to become a part of Highway 2000. So that is what we're looking at now. They are expanding or upgrading the bypass to 4 lanes, putting in a concrete barricade, so it will be a highway quality road basically. So there you can see on the left they're working on 2 lanes, and then you can see the concrete barricade thing. So where we are now will be the additional 2 lanes to make 4. Now we need to point out that the Melrose Hill bypass, obviously as the name suggests, bypasses Melrose Hill, which is on the right. Now one of the bauxite companies were doing some mining over there, so that is why they built the bypass. And also the road that was on the hill was very narrow. So there you can see they're getting ready to put in, I keep saying the concrete barricade, the correct word is Jersey barrier, as a subscriber pointed out. Actually, right, so the Melrose Hill bypass was built so that persons didn't have to drive through the hill because it's a very narrow road. And then now the highway is now going to take over the bypass. But now Highway 2000 is a toll road, you have to pay to use it. But when you come on the section where the highway comes out and incorporates into the Melrose Hill bypass, you don't have to pay to use that section. So there you can see 2 lanes on the right, 2 lanes on the left. So if you're going from, say, Porus to Williamsfield, you can use this piece of Highway 2000 for free. But if you're going onto the highway to go to Kingston, then you have to pay toll. So that's very good that they did it that way, because there was an Old Harbour bypass that was under construction, and Highway 2000 took over the bypass and used it as part of the highway, and you had to pay toll. There was nothing done for the regular road basically. So the bypass became a part of the highway. So it's good that you can use this piece of the highway for free without having to pay toll. See, a lot of work is going on out here, and it's China Harbour Engineering Company that's doing the work, so they work very well and they work quickly. So I think this highway, we're what, February 1 now, 2 months, end of March. They had announced March 2023. I haven't gotten any additional update about the road being delayed, but the Maypen to Clarendon Park section of the road is finished. They actually have to block off the road by Maypen roundabout by the bridge, the Rio Mina bridge, because persons were driving on it. So that section is finished. Okay, so here you can get a very nice view. See, the Jersey barriers are up. Very nice view of what that road is going to look like. So they are actually paving the right side of the road. So we'll keep you updated as to when it's going to finish, but I think by the end of March this road could be finished. The Kingston to Clarendon Park section is finished. I'm not sure what the status of the Clarendon Park to Melrose Hill section, a section that's going over the hill. I'm not sure how far they've reached with that, but if they're paving one side of the Melrose Hill bypass, then this road can be finished by the end of March. It's a very overcast day today, and it's raining, it's drizzling, so we're not going to use the drone today, but we're going to come back and we're going to do some drone footage so we can check out what's going on with the Clarendon Park to Melrose Hill section of the highway. We used to be able to drive on it and see the construction, but they have blocked it off. I think because some sections are finished, they don't want people driving on the road. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. We will keep you updated on the progress of the highway. Alright guys, have a good day.